Hi, my name is Christine DiMattia, and I am a technology recruiter here at Matrix in Houston, Texas. I've been with Matrix since 2011, and Matrix has been around a little over 30 years and actually was just nominated one of the top 25 IT staffing firms to work with in 2012. My industry experience actually began when working as account coordinator at Matrix. Here I supported our top clients, helped them build their professional IT team, and service their needs. So with that, I actually have a great insider perspective on what it is our clients are looking for, their hiring process, interview process, work environment, culture, and also great relationships with many of the key players involved in the hiring process. So with that, really the next step would hopefully be to connect you and your talents to them. This is a great industry. I really enjoy the business. I enjoy interacting with my candidates, getting to know them, and really understand what it is their goals are and where they want to be with their careers, and really just hopefully help them get there. So thanks for viewing my page. I really hope to hear from you and work with you in the future. Thanks so much.